I am the CEO of Makie Lab. We're a startup. We are basically a year and a half old in terms of when we got our first money, and then we put our product live, Makies, the doll line, last summer, basically as a competent demo. So really this is what we do. We're building digital products that produce physical products. So we've got an app and a website up at the moment. The exact files that we used to create the characters in the app push to 3D printers 2 times. That's a little desktop maker bot that costs about $2,000, and that's an EOS SLS machine that prints in nylon that costs about $150,000 and up, so we don't own those yet. And we end up manufacturing dolls. So this year we managed to get the skin colours out into an app in about March, and then we really started to see some characters really emerging. They all kind of look the same, they were all just very white. But when the colours turned up, we started really taking on personalities. And these are our users just kind of making their own dolls. And they're really taking them to some extremes. And again, teaching us that boots, false side issues, make great dolls by actually using their own. One of our personality boots.
Can you guys hear at the back? Or do you want a mic?
Can you hear me?
Mic.
Do you want a mic? Mods have emerged. We had a lovely lady who lives somewhere around the Brick Lane area make some reactive cat ears for her doll by stuffing the head full of Arduinos and servos. And so when she clapped her hands, the doll's ears turned towards the sound. Brilliant. And we had a lady who wanted rounder eyes and a pouty mouth, so she got a scalpel out and just carved it. And we looked at that and went, that's really awesome, so we're going to build that into the next iteration of the sliders. And then in July, we went live in self-produce. So, again, a great thing going from demo to self-produce in a year flat. But we're also using it as a learning experience with both of self-produce, which, as I said, also you. How does this work? We were like, dunno, let's see. So we set up a thing where the kids can come along and have a go, and then you can buy a product. I'm on record as saying I think it's the 1998 of 3D printing. I think it's world changing. I feel the same way about 3D printing as I did when I first saw the web in '96 and went, oh, this changes everything. But it's early days. I mean, very few companies doing it, few machines, few suppliers. It's just like Netscape 1 times. And when this stuff really takes off, this is this kind of 2 to 5 year things when a bunch of patents expire. Instead of 2 suppliers, there's 200. That's happened with the MakerBot style machines. There's now 500 of those. But with the powder-based and the liquid-based, we're still in the handful of machine land. And for those darn materials to come down. And at that point, we will have a global distributed manufacturing network, just like the web is the digital version of that. And that's not what we have right now with China and traditional manufacturing systems.